everybody, I'm back. So I got 100 things you can do if you get bored. Yay! First one, plan a party. Of course, a Zoom party. We are still in quarantine, at least some of us are. Go out and get you a coffee. Well, there's some places that are still open, so you can go and get you a to-go coffee. Singing, la 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 la. That's always fun. Sing, ha ha ha. Drink a lot of water. That's right. Or drink a lot of juice. Drink. Start a journal. What do you think about starting a journal, huh? Go for a walk. That's always fun. Take a walk. Get to know some of your neighbors. Call up a friend you haven't talked to in a long time. What do you think about that? It's always good to do some catching up. Watch a movie. Watching movies is always good. Donate to a charity. It's always good to give. Learn something new. You're never too old to learn. How about selling some of those things that you have in your closet that you're not using? That's right, meditate. Meditate is always something good to do. Hey, how about cleaning up your room? What do you think about that? I got it. How about writing an ebook? Yeah, write an ebook. Taking a hot bubble bath. Yeah, who doesn't like to take a hot bubble bath? I got a great idea. Why don't you create a budget? What about those weeds that have been growing up in your garden? Isn't it time to start pulling them? What you think? How about puzzling? Do you guys like to do puzzles? I know I do. I can spend hours on them. Well, now's the time. Why don't you take a little nap? Get your beauty sleep. Workout time. It's always good to do some workout time. What y'all think? How about doing a yoga session? You can do an yoga session online. Have you ever tried painting? Painting is also a lot of fun. Well, after all this mess is done, how about planning a trip with a friend or something? You know, go out for a weekend or something, or a day. Do you have a dog? How about going to walk the dog? Or maybe somebody else's dog? How about hanging out with a good friend? Somebody who inspires you, lifts you up maybe? How about having a dance session? That's right, put some music on and just start dancing. Just get it out of your soul. Yeah. Have you been hiking? Hiking's a lot of fun. Why don't you try to go hiking? How about just hanging out in nature? You know, just looking at the birds and the bees and checking out the spiders. Have you ever taken a pillow and screamed in it? Yeah, if you got some anger going on, if you're mad, why don't you scream it out? What about a Netflix day? Yeah. How about having a cooking session? Treat yourself to a nice dinner. Hey, you can also bake some nice cookies. You can do a cooking session, baking day or something. Cakes, cookies, you know what I mean. How about just sitting outside and enjoying the beautiful nature around you? Oh, this is a good one. How about a computer day? We're just surfing and just checking out all types of stuff. That's fun, isn't it? Hey, if you need some good inspiration, check out TED. You can do a TED day. Well, if you have a project to do, you can work on your project. Why not get a head start? That's always good. Well, if the sun is shining, go out and sunbath. Just lay out in the sun and get you some vitamin D, you know? I got it. Something I love to do. How about having a makeup session? Just play around with the makeup. Experiment. Have you ever decided to or tried to walk around your neighborhood? Maybe explore, get to know your neighbors. That's always a good thing. Well, now's the time to do some researching. Why not research whatever it is you were thinking to research? Okay, you've been procrastinating. Now it's time to clean your home. That's a great thing to do. Clean your home. Clean up. Well, in some areas you're able to go to the movie theater, so why not go and check a movie out if it's possible? Well, what about trying out a new hairstyle? You can play around with your hair. Cut it, color it, whatever. Now's the time to do a little bit of experimenting. Why not? Why don't you try out a new workout move? You know, check out some new workout videos that you can try out. I got it. I got it. How about working on your resume? Fix it up. You can do some improvement. What do you think? This is a good one. If you love to cook, now's the time to prepare the meal list. No, what you're going to prepare for the whole week. You can start scoping out each day. Okay, I'm going to make this, I'm going to make that, I'm going to make this. Now's the time. How about writing a letter to somebody you care about? I mean, people don't do that anymore today, so now's the time. Write a letter. How about YouTube? Have a YouTube day. Well, everybody should do a facial. What do you think? Now's the time. Hey, how about going through all those different perfumes that you don't use? Now's the time to get rid of them. Now's the time. How about dream? Put your music on and start dreaming. Dream about how you want to live in the future. What do you think about that? Oh, this is something I love to do. I love to decorate my room, try out new styles and move the furniture around, try out something different. Oh, why don't you do something nice for your colleagues? Bake a cake, maybe, or some cookies. Why not do something nice for somebody? Perhaps write a nice message to one of your YouTubers or somebody on social media. What about having a boxing moment? Box the pillow, leave your boxing bag. What do you think about that? I got it. Try on some clothes. Yes, go through your closet and see which clothes, that you want to wear for the week. Fish out some new cute outfits. Hey, how about planning your whole week out? Figure out what you want to do this week and plan it out each day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Hey, how about taking a drive? A nice long drive. Drive around. That's always fun. I used to do that too, especially if you're living in a cute city. How about getting your little book? And then for every negative thought you have, you got a positive one to counter it. What do you say to that? Have you ever tried the game Solitaire? That's a fun game to play. Try it. It works. How about taking out that book that you've been wanting to read? Well, now's the time. Well, do you have any holes in your shirts or dresses Now's the time to sew them up. What do you think? How about going and check out your new dream house you want to go live in? Make an appointment and go check it out. I got it. Now is the day. Book your trip. That's right. Book your trip and start planning. Book the trip, book the hotel, book the plane, book the car. Now's the time. Okay. How about reading that book about how to make some extra money? You got some dirty shoes that need to be cleaned? Well, now's the time to get busy. Okay, if you got a garage, now's the time to go in there and clean out that garage. That's right. Okay, you got some goals? Now's the time to start writing down your goals. Short term, middle term, and long term. Have you ever driven in the car and you wanted to scream? Well, now's the time. Get in that car and scream. It's called scream therapy. It really helps and it works. Oh, this is fun. Start a vision board, go through some of those magazines and all those little things where you're thinking, oh, I wish. Cut them out and make you a vision board or a vision book. I got it. Write 10 things which you love about yourself. That's right, 10 things. How about doing a brain dump to clear out your mind? That's right, a brain dump. Affirmation day. That's right, affirmation. Nothing but affirmations. I believe in myself. I can do it. 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 Did you know they had coloring books for grown-ups? Yes, they do. They have coloring books for grown-ups. So there you go. Get you a coloring book. How about writing a creative story? Once upon a time. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Yes. How about cooking a new dish? Yeah, cook a new dish. How about going through some of that old makeup you have and getting rid of it? Now's the time. How about just listening to some music, checking out some new songs? Man, I could spend the whole day just listening to new tunes. Oh. Check out a new podcast. That's right. Podcast. Check out a new comedy show. Or just spend your time laughing. I know that was really fake. Oops, I hope you guys heard me. Well, if it's possible, how about going to a bookstore? Having a book day session. I can spend the whole day in a bookstore. Oh, I love to read. I really do. How about finding out where you can do some volunteer work? That's always a good thing to volunteer. How many of you all have Pinterest? Now you can start pinning away. This is a good one. I'm sure nobody likes to do it. Laundry. That's right, laundry. Have you guys ever checked out online quizzes? They could be a lot of fun. Online quiz. Yes, online quiz. How about calling a relative that you haven't talked to in a long time? That's always a good thing to do. What about starting a blog? That could be fun. Checking your emails. How about cleaning up all that junk on your computer that don't need to be there? It's taking up a lot of space, a lot of good space. Well, if you're still old school like I am, how about, organizing all your nice photos from back then? Oh, that would be a cool thing to do, right? Yeah. Put all your memories together. How about a selfie moment? Now's the time to get your profile looking good and have a selfie moment. Take some nice pictures. Have you made a bucket list? Well, now's the time to get started. Make that bucket list. Oh, now this is something I really love to do. Learn a new language. That's right. Now you can talk Spanish or French. Now's the time. Learn. Hey, I got it. Start a YouTube channel. That's right. You can do just like I'm doing. Start a YouTube channel. I'm sure you got something to talk about. Okay, this isn't good if you're a shopping junkie. How about shopping online? Just got to be careful. How about painting your toenails? Try out some new colors and designs. Any new dances you would like to learn? Well, now's the time. How about working on your Instagram account? I'm sure you got Instagram, right? How about learning about finances? Yeah, learn about money. So, what about organizing? Yeah. How about organizing your closet, making some space? Well, now's the time. So everybody, I hope you have enough ideas on things to do. And yeah, 100. That's right, 100. So anyway, you have enough to keep yourself busy. See you next time. Bye.